be taking is a lighter shade in the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette called So Bougie. I'll be applying this all into my crease. Here I'm just adding a darker shade from the same palette in the color Cocoa Truffle. This is going to start to intensify our crease. Grabbing the Morphe 35B palette, I'm adding this deep purple right into my crease under the previous brown that we added.
Yo quiero hacerte tantas cosas sin enamorarte. Quiero que te sientas cómoda si vamos aparte.
Taking the lighter purple from the same palette to help us blend out the crease a little better and just add a little bit more color in there, make things a little more vibrant. I'm lightly going to apply some of the Too Faced glitter glue onto 2/3 of my eyelid. This is going to help the pigmentation of the shadow that I'm going to apply on my lid. Going back into my Too Faced palette, I'm going to pick up that shimmery purple and apply that all over my lid.
Quiero probar algo de ti pa' no olvidar.
Yo no me sé ni su nombre, pero la quiero. Paso y dejo su fragancia.
So to smoke out the side, I'm grabbing this swag and adding that in my outer corner, kind of like in a V shape, and blending it out.
Así es que la quiero, quiero. Pa 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 pa.
Unfortunately, my 2-year-old deleted the part where I was applying my eyeliner, but I'm just gonna continue on doing the same steps I did in my crease on my lower lash line. For lashes, I'm using the Eyelayer in Vegas Snay in style Platinum Princess. Now that the glue is tacky, I like to place the lashes right in the center and then grab the outer corner and bring it in, and grab the inner corner and do the same.
That you are the one for me. Left your baby mom, now Cardi's your wife to be. Ex had me locked up, but you came to set me free. They say you're not my type, but you got my type to be. So answer this, can you hold me, can I trust you? Paddock on the wrist, both arms, that's what us do. Mansion on the hills, half if you want to. But that's only if you want to. Se me bailame ahora, le mete sudando su cuerpo de mora.
De todas las baby, ella es la campeona. Se pone loquita si me escucha en la emisora. Y ahora,
úsame, bailame ahora, le mete sudando su cuerpo de mora.
De todas las baby, ella es la campeona. Se pone loquita si me escucha en la emisora. Y ahora